Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are continuing with our Java series part 10, that is interfaces part 3. Today let's understand the full implementation of an interface. Firstly, an interface can be implemented in two ways, that is either fully or partially. Now, in full implementation, when an interface is fully implemented, the class implementing it should define all the methods of an interface. Thus, full implementation is nothing but the implementation of an interface. Let's understand the full implementation of an interface by a simple program. First of all, let's define an interface and let's name it as student, and let's declare a variable ID and a function display. Whenever an interface is being fully implemented, the class which implementing it should contain the definition of the member functions of that interface. So now let's understand how a class that implements interface gets declared. Firstly, let's write the class keyword followed by its name. Here I am naming it as details, followed by implements keyword, which is used to implement the interface, and here the interface we have created is student. So let's define the class now. As the class should contain the definition of display function of interface, so let's define it. Here I am not writing any complex code. I am simply writing a print statement which prints the ID, and I am finishing the definition of both class and display function. Now let's create a main method class. Here I am naming it as demo. You can name whatever you want. Let's define it. As it's the main method class, it should contain our main method, that is public static void main string arguments. Now let's define it. Here I am creating an object for detail class. The general syntax to create an object for detail class is class name followed by the object name equal to new, again class name, braces close, and semicolon. And the object created here is D. I am using that D dot display function to access the display function of the class details, and I am finishing its definition by closing its parenthesis, that is the main method parenthesis, as well as the class parenthesis. So our program gets completed. Here the output will be id colon 20. That's what the statement that I have given in the system.out.print. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the short session. If you like, then do like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for interfaces part 4. For detailed notes, mail me at bashirofficial2000@gmail.com. Last but not least, stay home, stay safe. May God bless you all. Bye bye.